Like, bad bitch all hot girl summer. Okay? Hot girl. Open your eyes. Okay, hello everybody. This is video number 3, I believe. It's subscribers week. Y'all already know what to do. Comment, like, share, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. It's your girl Aggie J, and I am back with another freaking video because it's subscribers week. Let's just get right on into it because I'm tired and I've been doing the most. So, first outfit is this. We're doing hot girl summer looks. Put your glasses on. The thing that I love these glasses because they're really dark. Alexa, play R&B, hip hop. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. You like this every time. On these days, I feel like you want me. Public and a better to be. Alexa, pause. Okay, so this is outfit number 2, which is daytime still. Casual day date with the girls, with your man. Y'all chilling, trapping, whatever, going to gas station, hopping outside, just outside picnicking, hopping in everybody's crib. I didn't know what shoes or socks to choose, but you see the style, you see how it's coming. Gold anklets over the socks is a yes for me. So just some biker shorts, an oversized tee, graphic of course, and my basketball purse. I really just want to put on the ones and the black socks, you guys, because ones are my favorite shoes, of course. Hold on. It's the poses for me, actually. It's always the poses. Feeling it? Feeling it? Speed it up. Oh. All right, on to the next. Oh, did y'all get a close-up of the shoes? Mid ones and Air Maxes, whichever you decide. You decide in the comments down below which one. All right, this is outfit number 2 for all my girls who are tomboyish. So we still got on the extract socks, gold anklets. Cute. Hot, warm type of vibes. Baggy dress. I'm gonna throw on a hoodie. I know you're probably thinking like, girl, it's hot, but we in AC all day. all day, sweetie. So this is for my girls who like bagging it up, and like this is a day outfit as well. Also a period outfit, you know, you still look good, but it's like, don't talk to me, I'm not really in the mood, but I'm in the mood because I got dressed. Okay, so this is number 3. Very comfortable. Like I said, you could do anything in this. Still a daytime outfit. I know y'all probably looking like, girl, you live in Arizona. Like, why? But like I said, we be in the AC. So, baby, y'all see where I'm from? That's like, y'all see where I'm from, baby. And you know, you just do your dude poses. Ah, don't be being too cute up in this. But on to the next. Just throwing on some cute little heels to make it just go real fast like that. I really wish I had something like a blue purse, because this is blue, that can bring out the more blue, but this is it, girls. I might try on the rest of the clothes tomorrow because I'm really tired. So if you see me with a different look and stuff, mind your business. I'm finna go to bed. Mind your business. And you could just be looking real cute and pretty. I'm not saying nothing to nobody. Just mind your business.